In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find a sound ID on Roblox. Let's get started. So open your browser and navigate to the official website of Roblox. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Now head over to this section, Create. Now click on the option Store. Select Audio to browse the available audio assets. You can use the search bar to look for a specific sound or browse the categories such as electronic, pop, or sound effects to get access to different type of audio. When you find the sound you want to use, all you have to do is click on the drop down for it. Then click on three dots and select the option Copy Asset ID. After you do that, to use the sound ID in your game, open Roblox Studio and load your project. Now, at the right hand side, you're gonna find this section here. Click on the option Workspace. Then, search for sound. Once it appears, now here you're gonna find this section, Sound DLD. Paste the audio ID you copied into this field. You can then click play or preview to test the sound and make sure it's working correctly. And that's it. This way you can easily use and find sound ID on Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.